Welcome back, Ozzie Angrish, your Southern Belle Realtor. So today's video is my 5 tips for preparing your home for sale in 2022. Number 1, commit to the sale. Whether you plan to sell your home this fall, summer, spring, or winter, remember to commit to that time frame. Also understand to remove your emotions. This is no longer your home, but this is a house now for sale. Number 2, price your home correctly. In order for you to know exactly what that price is, if you're working with a realtor, your realtor will do all of this homework for you. But if you don't have an idea in mind before speaking to a realtor, what is the average days on market or homes in your community selling? Research, research, research. Number 3, renovate what's necessary, whether that's outside of the home, the exterior, or the interior. Not all renovations are necessary, but do what is necessary to get the home sold. Curb appeal is everything. This is the first impression a buyer gets when they pull up to your house for sale. Number 4, advertise strategically. What do I mean? Are you using a realtor or not? Know the pros and cons. You want to get as many buyers in front of your home as possible to get showings at your home, so you get a likely chance of getting an offer made on your home. And number 5, be ready to negotiate with buyers. Remember, this is a win-win relationship. Money is not everything. Know what are the terms. Are these terms advantageous to you, the seller? If you're looking to sell your home and need help in the local market, I am a real estate agent licensed here in Maryland, Virginia, and DC. More than happy to help you sell your home this coming year in 2022. If you have any comments, any questions or comments, leave them below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a blessed one.